walk on air. To feel extremely happy. After getting the job, she was walking on air. He's been walking on air since he heard the good news. Out of the woods. Out of danger or trouble. The patient is recovering well and is now out of the woods. We had some financial issues, but we're finally out of the woods. Night owl. A person who stays up late at night. She's a night owl and loves working on her art at midnight. My brother is a night owl, so he usually sleeps until noon. Keep your word. To do what you promised. He said he would help, and he kept his word. It's important to keep your word if you want people to trust you. Head over heels. Deeply in love or completely in a certain situation. She's head over heels in love with him. He's head over heels about his new business idea. Out of work. Unemployed. Many people were out of work due to the company closing. She's been out of work for a few months and is looking for a job. Slap on the wrist. A mild punishment. The student only got a slap on the wrist for cheating. His actions were serious, but he only received a slap on the wrist. In the red. In debt or losing money. The company has been in the red for 3 years. After all the expenses, we're still in the red this month. Burn the candle at both ends. To overwork yourself by doing too much. She's burning the candle at both ends with her job and studies. If you keep burning the candle at both ends, you'll get exhausted. With open arms. To welcome warmly and happily. They welcomed her with open arms when she returned home. Our team received the new member with open arms. Needle in a haystack. Something very difficult to find. Finding my keys in this room is like looking for a needle in a haystack. Searching for her in that huge crowd was like finding a needle in a haystack. Up in the air. Uncertain or undecided. Our vacation plans are still up in the air. With the new changes, everything feels up in the air. Many moons ago. A long time ago. Many moons ago, we used to meet at the park every weekend. They started their business many moons ago, and it's still running well. Under your belt. Gained experience or achievements. Now that she has the training under her belt, she feels more confident. With years of experience under his belt, he was ready for the new job.
Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more only English vocabulary.